What is up, guys? So today we are going to be doing a top Smash Hacks trading card collection for the 2014-15 collection. We'll be doing a 4-pack opening. So yeah, these do retail at £1 and 10 pairs per packet. I'm not gonna bother going through the odds, but if you guys want to hit that pause button, feel free to. Obviously 470 cards to collect. Let's go on with the first packet. Randomly, we have the insert at the start of the pack. I literally have no idea why, but it's a Jamie Vardy star player card, Jack Rodwell, Van Dijk, Nathan Redmond, tactic card which will give you 5 million to your team budget, Mesut Ozil, Wilfried Zaha, Ryan Shawcus, captain card of Stoke City. We do have Joe Hart, clean sheet card, and we do have this code which anyone can use, and we do get a defensive duo card of Michael Richards and Clarence Clark. Let's move on to the second pack. Sorry about that. So we do get a Watford badge. I don't know why the inserts are showing first. First player of today is Behrini, Andy King, Daniele, David De Gea, Gareth Barry, Nicholas Otamendi, Ramirez, who currently doesn't play with Chelsea, Yaya Toure, Liverpool forward, who is Eben Teke, who we have. Pretty damn poor packet. Let's move on to the third pack of today. Hopefully get some good players, because this has literally been a very poor pack opening so far. Pathetic. So we do get Everton badge, Rudy Gesture, De Jong, Lee Catamol, Ben Foster, Obayang, Jose Holebas, Pape Square, Pedro. What a shit pack. Sketlenberg and Radamel Falcao.
Last pack.
Yeah, it's been a pretty damn poor packet. So we get a normal badge. Muffins, Victor Ibabo, Darren Fletcher. What the? Come on, man. Malumbo, Darmian, Mikel Arteta, the captain card. We do get James McCarthy, insert card. Yes! Come on.
What a waste.
Thank you very much for watching, and here are the cards. Peace out.